I got 0 views today. And how did that happen? So hi, this is Mary G. I posted a video short yesterday and that's I think 9 p.m. and that's not the usual time that I post. So I different time to see if what's the result, and that's the result today. Until today I got 0 views. And what I'm saying right now today is you have to consider also the time of posting because the viewers are also active in their leisure time, which is at night, afternoon, after clock out, lunch, and morning. This is the most important thing to consider also when posting your content. So today I am the proof that the time is also considered in YouTube channel. If you post consistently, you can get viewers. But if you post in different times, you can get lower views, especially if you have new account here on YouTube. So I'm telling you this so you won't get 0 views and follow for more.